Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, if 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals to 65, what is the value of m? So in this case, we are going to solve for the value of m in this equation. Solution, we are given here 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals to 65. So we have an exponential equation here. What we are going to do, we recall that if you have, or we know that if we have 2 all over 2 equals to 1, and 3 all over 3 equals to 1. And also, if we have a to the power of 1 equals to a. So here, we can as well say that 3 to the power of m all to the power of 2 all over 2 minus 2 to the power of m all to the power of 2 all over 2 equals to 65. Is still the same thing because a to the power of 1 is a, and also 2 all over 2 equals to 1. So this is why we have this. So in this case, we can recall that when we have a to the power of m all to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n all to the power of m. So m and n can interchange, it still means the same thing. So this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2m all over 2 minus 2 to the power of 2m all over 2 equals to 65. So in this case, we can see that this is the same thing as 3 to the power of m all over 2 all to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of m all over 2 all to the power of 2 equals to 65. You can see where we are going now. So this is what we have. We interchange this and we have this. So if we multiply this out, we still have this. And if we cancel 2 all over 2, we still have to the power of n. So this is what we have. And from this case, we have 3 to the power of m all over 2 and 2 to the power of m all over 2. We say let 3 to the power of m all over 2 equals to x, and 2 to the power of m all over 2 equals to y. So we are going to substitute the value of this to this parenthesis. Therefore, we say this equals to x. So it's going to be x to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 2 equals to 65. From our left hand side here, we have difference of 2 squared. And recall that difference of 2 squared is in the form x plus y into x minus y all equals to 65. This is the solution of difference of 2 squared. In this case, it is either the first parenthesis equals to 65 or the second parenthesis equals to 65. So how do we do that? We will find the factor of 65. Factor of 65 are, so this will become x plus y into x minus y equals to 65. Factors of 65. So here, 2 cannot go here, and 3 cannot go here. So 5 will go here, 1, and 5 will go here, 3. So 13. So 5 times 13 is the factor of 65. So we are going to write 5 times 13. So this is what we have. We can move over to this other side. So here, from here we have x plus y into x minus y equals to 5 times 13. Why we bring in the factors of 65? Because we have two parentheses here. On the left hand side, we will equate the first parenthesis equals to the one factor, and or the second parenthesis equals to the other factor. So in this case, we have 5 and 13. So from this parenthesis, we see that we have x plus y, and we also have x minus y. Which one is greater and which one is smaller? If we have x equals to 1 and y equals to 1, we have x plus y, which is 1 plus 1 will be equals to 2. X minus y, which is 1 minus 1 will be equals to 0. In this case, x plus y is greater, while x minus y is less than. So it means that x plus y will be equate to the greater value, which is 13, and x minus y will be equate to the smaller value, which is 5. So this will become x plus y will be equals to 13, and also x minus y will be equals to 5. We call this equation 1 and we call this equation 2. So we have two equations, which is a simultaneous equation. So we say from equation 2, x minus y equals to 5. Therefore, x will be equals to 5 plus y. We are going to substitute x equals to 5 plus y into equation 1. So substituting the value of x into equation 1, we will have from the value of x here, so we have x as 5 plus y, we bring down y here, equals to 13. So in this case, 5 plus 2y will be equals to 13. So we have here, this can become 2y equals to 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So 2y will be equals to 8. We can divide both sides by 2. Therefore, 2y divided by 2 equals to 8 divided by 2. 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 4. Therefore, our y equals to 4. So this is the value of y that we've gotten from this simultaneous equation. So we can use the value of y here to get the value of x. So substituting the value of y into equation 2. So we say substitute y equals to 4 into equation 2. So in this case, we are going to substitute the value of y as 4 into this equation. So let's move over to this other side. So here we say, let's rewrite this. We use that for us to find our value of m. So in this case, we say substitute y equals to 4 into equation 2. Where is equation 2? Equation 2 is x minus y equals to 5. So the value of y is 4. So we have here x minus 4 equals to 5. Therefore, our x here will be equals to, when 4 transposed into this other side, it's going to be 5 plus 4. So therefore, x will be equals to 9. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So this is the value of x that we have. And also this is the value of y that we have. We recall that we said x equals to 3 to the power of m all over 2. Therefore, our x here equals to 9. So it will be 9 equals to 3 to the power of m all over 2. So here is the same thing as 3 to the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of m all over 2. So this is the same thing as, we have the same base here. 3 equals to 3, which is the same base. So they will cancel each other. Therefore, 2 will be equals to m all over 2. So this is the same thing as 2 all over 1. Cross multiplying, we have 2 times 2, we have 4 equals to m. So the value of our m equals to 4. So that is for x equals to 3 to the power of m all over 2. So we also have here y equals to 2 to the power of m all over 2. In this case, our value of y equals to 4. So we have y, which is 4, equals to 2 to the power of m all over 2. In this case, y equals to 2 to the power of 2 equals to 2 to the power of m all over 2. So we have the same base here. 2 will cancel here because they are common. They are the same base. So we have here 2 equals to m all over 2. This same thing as 2 all over 1. Cross multiplying, we have 2 times 2, which is 4, equals to m. So the value of m here also equals to 4. Therefore, we conclude that our m equals to 4. So this is the value of our m that we've gotten from our solution. We can do a very little check for us to confirm whether value of m equals to 4 will satisfy this equation. 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals to 65. So we can do that real quick. We say that check when we have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m equals to 65. Our value of m equals to 4. So 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 equals to 65. 3 to the power of 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9 and this is 9. So we have 81. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we have here 4 times 4, which is equals to 16. So we have 81 minus 16 equals to what? 81 minus 16, we have here 16. So we have here 11. 11 minus 6, we all know that is 5. So remainder 7. 7 minus 1 is 65. So 65 is equals to 65. What we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, m equals to 4 satisfy this equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.